Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening both files and positioning the destination sheet. This prevents broken references. Click the destination cell, type equals, then switch to the source workbook and click the cell you want to link. Once done, press enter and Excel creates an external reference. Make sure to choose absolute $1 if you want the link to stay fixed, or A1 for relative copying. This first step establishes the live connection you'll manipulate next, so verify values update immediately. Once links exist, manage them from data edit links to update sources, change file paths, or break links. This controls behavior when files move. For complex data, use named ranges or index and match to reference changing rows. This avoids hard-coded cell addresses. Also, wrap external references in IFR to display a fallback value if the source is closed or missing. These choices make links resilient, maintainable, and prevent cascading errors when workbooks are edited or relocated. Finish by saving both files and testing. Close the source, then open the destination to confirm update prompts and values refresh. If links break, use edit links or find links to inspect paths. Excel often shows outdated file names or moved folders. When you see #ref, either relink with the correct path or recreate the formula pointing to the proper workbook. One key troubleshooting tip: if links point to temporary paths, update them in edit links rather than editing formulas one by one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.